Yeah, we can start right now. I think first slides, I will basically introduce 7x. So I think so many people ask me this question, why we call 7x? Is that we are aiming for 7 times return? Or why not 10x or 1kx? So that reason why I want to clarify why we call 7x. It's from the religious, from Eastern and Western culture. 7 is a number in Eastern culture, when the Buddha walks every 7 steps, the lotus flower blew. And also in the Western culture, and God used 7 days to create a world. So 7 is a number, it's a magic number for both Eastern and Western culture, and the X means infinity. So with the 7X, we really want to bridge different cultures, no matter you are builders from Asia, from Europe, US, or Africa, or all over the world, trying to empower the blockchain together. And also because blockchain is actually without any kind of, without any kind of geographic and culture barrier. So that reason why we want to call 7X to unify everyone in the world to push the boundary of the blockchain. So that's the reason why we call 7X. Yeah, and also what I really want to highlight for SevenXVentures right now is so we are research-driven crypto venture. So there are so many kinds of the venture capitals in the world, from more than 100. How to make the 7x differentiate from others? So I think in 3 areas. The first thing, we are working with all the top researchers in the world, including researchers from EF, from Flashbots, from EigenLayer, and from others. So we want to basically have the regular base touch with them to understand the latest innovation in the industry, and also consolidate all the innovations and publish articles and threads to show to everyone what happened in the crypto world. The secondly is we always follow the frontier innovations. You can see from Twitter threads and Twitter articles, we are the first several ways in the world to publish the article about ZK machine learning. And also, we are also the first several investors to publish an article about intent, the Grace wrote an article about decoding the intent. So we have more and more the latest research we are coming out in next 1 to 2 months. What we really believe that crypto is about innovation. We follow the latest innovations in the crypto world. Then the thirdly, I think so for a lot of people, they have this impression to VC. Investors are transactional. When the investor talk to you, they just want to give you money, get a financial return from you guys. So our approach is very different. We want to build a long-term research collaboration with the project first, and trying to work with founders, work with researchers, help them to consolidate all their ideas, generate the articles about their products, their technology, and to showing on the Twitter, showing to everyone in the crypto space what they are doing. By building this long-term research collaboration, we actually can help them to give them the support to share their innovation, their product, their technology to the different people. So with all that, when we build a long-term relationship, then we're talking about the investment opportunity. So that's how we approach different from the other VC. That reason why when 7x approach the builders, what we really want to approach builders to say, let's do the research together. Let's to understand your technology, your product first, before making any investment. So, and thirdly, because we had the research focus, we are working with the top researchers and builders in the world. And also, we also want to empower more and more builders. So what we do is we are really here for builders. We have this natural hack zone for fully on-chain gaming. And we also have intent-based hacker house during the SBC. So with Nitro brand, we will have more hack zone and hacker house in different conferences. If for all the builders, when you have the idea about whether you want to create a great product, whether you want to build your own company, we can connect you with the top researchers in the world from like the Flashbots, from EF, from other projects, trying to give you the guidance whether your idea makes sense, and also like the best, like the giga brains in the industry to help you to build your own startups. So that's the reason why like we want to create a research and builder focused fund. That's what the program we are for the builders. And with all like our research and builder focus, and terms of investment, we are actually investor for the top-notch like the projects in the industry, including Flashbots, Scroll, Manta, Caldera, and DeepBank, and other guys. We also power the most like the promising early stage startups in the industry. So with all this, we want to basically invest in the frontier technology in the blockchain space and to work together with all the researchers, builders, and VC to push the boundary of the blockchain and to make sure that the blockchain is for the future and to onboard more users in the blockchain space. So that's a brief introduction of 7X. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoy the other talks in the industry.